So now we will switch gears and move to some entertainment. We have a dance presentation by Raksha and team.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯದ ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಮತ್ತು ತಂಡದವರಿಂದ. Over to you.
Very warm good evening, and thank you DJ Anil Gupta for this opportunity for our dance school. Acharya Raksha is my wife and Anne of Rotary Bangalore Southwest, and today they are performing. Sir spoke about the Mashal and light. This song is blessed by Sri Tulsi Peethadipati Jagadguru Parama Pujya Ramabhadracharya ji. When he was in Bangalore, he blessed our dance school, and we have remade the Hanuman Chalisa, 4 verses of the Hanuman Chalisa, and Mangal Bhavan, the abode of auspiciousness and good fortune. May the Lord bestow both of you, Sangeeta ma'am and Anil Gupta ji, with much light. Amangalhari, the remover of sorrows and bad omens. And this is a plea and for compassion directed at Lord Rama, depicted as the beloved child of Dasaratha. Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. The chanting of the divine names, recalling the sacred union of Lord Rama and Goddess Sita. Let the Lord bless both of you. Over to you.
उमा कहूँ मैं रघुनाथ मम संकट हारी मंगल भवन मंगल हारी प्रभु सुत शरत अजीर बिहारी मंगल भवन मंगल हारी प्रभु सुत शरत अजीर बिहारी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.